Hey family, welcome back to part 3 of this powerful series on how to unlock the full potential of cash value life insurance. After watching the previous videos, hopefully you now have a different mindset. So when you hear the words life insurance, you don't just think of death. Before we begin, I encourage you to take notes while watching these videos. If anything is unclear, make a note so you can do your own research or bring it up during your free consultation with me. If these videos helped you in any way, please don't forget to like, share, or comment on the ones that made the biggest impact. Let's dive into the information we'll be discussing today. Now, you understand that with a properly designed life insurance policy, it can be a powerful tool you use while you're alive. Let me make this plain. You now know when your policy builds up cash value, it becomes more than just protection. It becomes a private financial system you own and control. You're no longer depending on banks or racking up credit card interest just to handle emergencies or fund opportunities. Instead, you borrow against your own money on your terms, and your money still grows while you're using it. Now let me provide the definition of a few things so we're all on the same page. Investment, putting your money somewhere with the expectation that it will grow or produce income. Asset, anything you own that puts money in your pocket or holds value. This can be things like real estate, a small business, stocks or index funds, a high yield savings account, and yes, your cash value life insurance policy. Assets are different from liabilities. Liabilities are items that take money out of your pocket and depreciate over time. Assets are the opposite. They put money in your pocket and appreciate over time. So when we talk about using your cash value to buy assets, I'm saying use your money to make more money. Let me break it down. If you've built up $15,000 in cash value and borrow $5,000 to invest in a vending machine business, that original $15,000 is still earning interest as if you never touched it. You're using leverage, meaning you're borrowing without depleting your account. No credit check, no bank approval, no explaining what the money is for. You are the bank. Let's make it even more relatable. You've got $30,000 in cash value. You borrow $10,000 to buy a used car instead of getting a car loan at 8% from a dealership. You fund it yourself, then pay yourself back with interest. Now you've avoided debt due to you leveraging your assets with a loan you took out from your cash value account. And you're growing your own money in the process. Let's go further. Ever heard of an annuity? This is a financial tool you can also fund using your cash value. An annuity is like a self-funded pension. You invest a lump sum, and in return, the insurance company pays you a guaranteed monthly income for life. It's predictable, tax-deferred, and protected from market crashes. It's a great tool to create retirement income without worrying about running out of money. Now, what happens when all this wealth you're building needs to be passed down? That's where legacy planning comes in. Let me give you the definition of two important documents and how they work. Will, a legal document that says who gets what when you pass. It's important, but not always enough. Trust, a more powerful legal tool that holds your assets and distributes them without probate. In some cases, tax advantages as well. Imagine your life insurance policy held in a trust. When you pass away, the death benefit goes to that trust tax-free, and it's distributed according to the plan you designed. That's how you make sure your family doesn't just survive, but thrives. Genesis chapter 12 verse 2 says, "I will bless you, and you will be a blessing." That means we don't just build wealth, we leave legacy. So let's review. Cash value life insurance gives you leverage to borrow against your own money, liquidity without banks, the ability to acquire income-producing assets, tools like annuities, real estate, and other investment vehicles. A path to generational wealth. This is what wealthy families have done for years, and now you can do it too. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 22 says, "A good person leaves an inheritance for their children's children." You don't need to be a millionaire to follow God's wisdom. You just need the right strategy. So, here's what's next. Watch video 4, where we'll talk about spiritual stewardship and the 5 steps to financial freedom. Remember, once you've watched all 4 videos, scheduled your free consultation, and filled out the client information form, I'll send you a gift card just for investing your time and attention into your legacy. Let's see how we can structure your own policy to fit your goals. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description to save my contact info. Let's build your customized plan together. This is your moment. This is your strategy. Let's build. Until next time, stay blessed, stay covered, and stay ready. Let's make this your season of overcoming financial obstacles. Stay tuned for the next part of this series. Have a blessed and prosperous day. See you next time